Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. I am Sammar, a student of computer science, and today I am going to tell about what is IoT and what are the trends of IoT. And in that, I will be also explaining what is the difference between Blynk application and MIT App Inventor. So now I am going to switch my camera with my laptop screen, and there we will be learning these things. So before that, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, just click on subscribe button as well as press the bell icon so that in the future you will be getting notification of my latest videos. So let's start the video. So now I have switched my camera with my laptop screens, and now I will be covering the topics of the presentation. So what are the contents of today's presentation? First of all, I will be telling you about what is IoT, means Internet of Things, or the basics about Internet of Things. Then I will be moving forward and telling about trends of Internet of Things, means the applications of IoT, and the key topic of today's video is difference between Blynk application and MIT App Inventor. So I will be differentiating both of applications. So let's starting with the first content, that what is IoT. There are many definitions, but I will be going very straightforward and telling that there are many definitions about IoT, but I will be just going very straightforward that IoT is a network of internet linked devices. Means there are devices that are connected to internet, vehicles and appliances that can collect and share data without need of human interactions. That's it. This is the simple definition. And IoT devices gather information and send it along to some central data server where the information is processed, collected, distilled and used to make a host of tasks easier to perform. The business world enjoys benefits of IoT like governments, organizations and the individual consumers. So now I am going to the second content of today's video, that what are the applications of IoT. So there are many applications of IoT in today's world. If we talk about applications of IoT, the Internet of Things can be used in many different aspects of life in both private and public sectors. Thanks to IoT, people can track things like lost pets, their houses' security systems or appliances, maintenance schedule. Consumers can use the IoT to help them make restaurant reservations, monitor their exercises, progress and overall health. Now, businesses can use IoT also to monitor supply chains, track customers' spending habits as well as collect their feedback, monitor and maintain inventory levels. So I have also put some examples in this slide that home automation is the best example of Internet of Things. Home automations or domestic is building automation for a home called smart home or smart houses. If we want to turn off light, we can turn off light with our fingertips. So that's so easy. A self-driving car, also known as autonomous vehicle, driverless cars. These cars have no drivers to handle the cars. Car will be auto reaching to its destination. I have already given the best example, that is the home automation. So now, what is the difference between Blynk app and MIT App Inventor? This is the key topic of today's video, and I am gonna now explain these differences. If we talk about Blynk app development, Blynk is entirely focused on IoT or device-based Arduino, Raspberry Pi, ESP, etc. This means is that app can add buttons, graphs, cards, text boxes and other things. However, there is no ability to edit the programming logic within the app. You have to write programming logic code and put code in place on your destination device. This is great in sense that if you are used to or focused on IoT development, then you get to add a nice app interface on top of your IoT project very quickly. Now, where this may fall short is generalized app development. You won't be using Blynk to make a catalog of your plants or photo gallery, but you can use Blynk to monitor the master level of the sensor you have installed in your plant. So now let's see what is MIT App Inventor. MIT App Inventor development, no cost, entirely free mobile application development with a high level of confidence, given that it's been around for a long time and being backed by MIT, the authors of the MIT open source license. With App Inventor, rather than IoT focused app development environment, you get a general purpose app development. Means you can create also other applications rather than only focusing on IoT applications. It is based on Google's blocky programming language means you will be easily dragging and dropping the components and using it according to your need for creating an app. So all programming is done by dragging various blocks. They look like puzzle pieces around. App Inventor has built-in support for database storage and a straightforward layout system. It may lack a little bit in the aesthetics, but blocky coding is a lot of fun. You will enjoy. I will suggest you, if you are going for Android development, you must use this application, means the MIT App Inventor. You will enjoy it. So this was all about today's video. We covered what is IoT, what is difference between MIT App Inventor and Blynk. So it was all about today's video. I hope you will enjoy my video and give a like to it.